Hello friends, welcome to my channel Venus Tech Pulse. I am going to start a new video today, and today's video is on a Python code. Write a Python code to calculate and display the selling price of an item by inputting the cost price and profit. It's a very easy programming, but I am showing you. First, you have to take a variable called CP. You can take also cost price. I have taken it CP. CP is equal to float, input, enter cost price of an item. The cost price which is entered by the user. Now, the second is PRF, that is profit. The short form of profit is PRF, which is also input by the user, like is equal to float, input, enter the profit. Okay. Now how to calculate the sale price? It is very easy. Sale price, which is another variable, and which is the total of cost price and profit. The cost price is taken in a variable CP and the profit is taken into the variable PRF, and cost price and profit will add together to calculate sale price or selling price. Now at last, print function is used, selling price of an item, sale price, to display the sale price. Okay friends, this is very easy program. So friends, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.